Buenos dias. Look at this. Cappuccino, bike ready, and drying my tent. It's so humid in the Balkans. Everything is soaking wet in the morning, inside and outside. So yeah, the sun is shining. It's gonna dry in a few minutes and then I'll hit the road. Let's go. It's a good day to die. It's this tent. Crowds, apple, pumpkins, all the good stuff. Another morning, another nice campsite. This is where I slept. But it's really humid. Even if the house is not closed, it's open. The humidity doesn't get inside, so the tent stays dry inside and outside. And in the morning, it saves you from having to wait to dry everything, or the other option is to pack everything wet and then at midday unpack everything 10-15 minutes and dry everything. So sun is shining still for the next few days, then it will start raining a lot. Today I'm gonna get to Zagreb and then I will do some planning there. I think I'll stay 2-3 days and then go to Slovenia, to Ljubljana. Let's go guys, let's go. I'm 60 kilometers now from Zagreb. And it's all good. My bike is a bit dirty. There's lots of mud on my bike, and I would like to find a place where I can power wash my bike before I get to my host house. Maybe she lives in a nice apartment and I don't want to get it all dirty when I take my bike inside. Yeah, nice quiet little roads. This is I found just some secondary road that will take me into Zagreb for the most part. I'm really tempted to stop in one of these forests to go look for porcini mushrooms, because for the first time here in Croatia I've seen lots of mushrooms around, and I know there is lots of porcini mushrooms in those forests. I will try and stop maybe for half an hour, I don't know. Would be nice to find like a couple of kilos of porcini mushrooms, get to Zagreb and cook some risotto with porcini mushroom. My signature dish. It's great. I'm leaving Zagreb. Nothing to write home about. Stayed here 2 days, 2 nights actually. First day that I arrived, and yesterday that I fell sick. I had some pancakes for breakfast that my host made, and I got pretty sick the whole day. And yeah, for various reasons I decided to leave Zagreb today and don't stick around that much, and so slow exit. It's about 10-15 kilometers to exit the city, and yeah, into Slovenia, new country. Hopefully I cross today. Definitely I cross today. See you in Slovenia. Believe it or not, this is the border between Croatia and Slovenia. Luckily, the door is open and I can go through. Very safe, very safe, very safe. Border crossing. Let's be respectful and close the door. That's it. I'm in Ljubljana, capital of Slovenia, and it starts raining. And I don't like it. I wanted to go and see the castle. I think I'm changing my mind. Good morning, new day. New day. I think today I'm gonna cross in Italy. But look at this. 15%. 15%. I'm glad I'm going down here this time. This time I don't have to cycle up. I hope it doesn't rain. It won't. I'm sure it won't. It looks like it's opening up, and in a few hours the sun is gonna shine like if it was July. There's probably only like 2 trains a day here. Why would you put tarmac on a bike lane in the forest? I don't understand these things. This bike lane is gonna take me to Italy. Let me see. 13 kilometers to Tarvisio. Oh well, let's go. Let's go to Italy. My mother land. My mother fucking land. This is the border. I'm leaving Slovenia and I'm entering Italy. Italia. I'm in Italy, not to trail,